It's actually the cold start for the 300.
Wait, what? Make up your mind. Thank you, thank you.
You saw that?
Yeah. Where'd you go?
I was the second fastest guy in my baseball team, varsity. Brian, what do we do in every vlog?
Okay.
We pump gas.
93, right?
87. Alright, we are going to the Junkyard. We're gonna see what we can find. I've always wanted to go to one. We're looking for 300 parts, 370Z parts, GTR parts. What else, Brian?
A new Lamborghini.
New Lamborghini parts. Whoa, buddy!
Tum tum.
All right.
It was
That
actually.
guy just did that.
What the heck?
Did anybody just see what that guy did?
Huh?
The funny thing is, everybody here's in the truck. And we're just in this, Brian. We're just in this.
Which is doing the math.
Alright, we just made it. Everybody here's in the truck. Hopefully that little film. We're in this little car. We're looking for 350 parts, 300 parts. Whatever we can find. I've never been to a junkyard, so I'm pretty excited. And yeah. This is what a junkyard looks like, dude. This is actually so cool. Alright, so we gotta go to the Nissan section first. Nissan section, then we can just go to BMW maybe.
Yeah.
Because Brian has a BMW. And yeah. On the first. Bro, this thing is gutted, dude. Took my car.
The door is falling apart.
Bro. Let's see. Can't take anything out of
Nothing, dude. I'm telling you.
There's not even rotors. Ooh, door handle, dude. You think this actually works? Every door handle in the 350 goes bad. So that's really good. But I mean, this drift back right here. Ooh, the DE's still in here. Is it a DE? Alright, Brian. There's nothing to take from this.
No, this is junk. Get it? Junk. Yard.
Minty mint. This is competitor to the 300 back in the day. What's this one? There's so much room to work. Look at this. We don't have this with Nissan. Bro, look at this. I think the engine isn't supposed to be there. What do you think?
Bro.
Have you guys ever seen a rear engine Lexus?
Damn. That's crazy.
Buddy, I'm sorry to break it to you. You're in the wrong place. You're supposed to be over here. Yep. Left. Alright guys. I was hiding this the whole time, but the reason why we came here was to pick up another Project 300. This is the older version. I think it's an 86. What year is it? Yeah, 86. Yo, that's so sick, bro. These look really nice when done correctly. Is it locked? Come on, they locked it. These are sick cars when done right. Like, they look just like, I love how these look. Obviously, I like the newer version of the 300. So I think they stopped making these after 89. But these are so cool, bro. When you do them right, they just look so sick. And the paint job is better than my 300. Look at that, dude. Look at that.
There's a steering wheel.
We need those seats. Who remembers when this was my old car? If you're a true OG of the channel, nice to own this car. I didn't really film on it, but I did put it here and there, especially when I was selling it. What's good? Did somebody just get bored and just come in? Or is that an actual paint job?
No, someone got bored.
Someone got bored. Oh, it's still got, wow, someone got really bored. Look at this. They painted the interior as well.
No way.
That's messed up, yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright. I'm not gonna record right now.
Holy crap.
Oh, dude. How to select a supporting cast.
Wow.
As you guys know, I'm painting the 300. I actually already bought the paint. I did yesterday. Here's a color that looks just like the color that actually shows. Damn. What do you think, Brian? That was a joke. That was a joke. Another cop car. We're heading out. There wasn't anything we could find for us, unfortunately. We did see that 350 and that 300. Well, let's face it, that was like 20% of the car. Can't do crap with that. It was cool. It was cool seeing all these cars. Like, this car has history behind it. Like, it's really cool. I don't know. There's some doors over here.
I was gonna say, wait, dang.
Imagine we find a bumper for like the 300 or 370. I doubt it, but.
So what if we were to get back to the car and it's gutted?
It's gutted. What if it's not there? Ooh, that car looks clean. Did I just get a glimpse of it? Look at this kid staring at us. We're blocking, dude. It's like my wheels are gone. Everything's just gone. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This is the best junkyard find I think we found today. That's a pretty nice truck, dude. It's clean. Honestly though, like first time being in a junkyard, this one's pretty decent. Oh wow, I left the car unlocked, that's great. It was pretty fun. It was actually pretty fun.
That would have been good. I feel like the ones in
Huh?
I feel like the ones in Miami will.
Yeah, Miami's like hours away, so. Oh man, it is hot, dude. Oh, AC is full on blast. There's a cop behind me, and I just remembered my tags are expired. So we gotta skirt on out of here, dude. Whew. Okay.
You good?
It would be sketchy if I go back. So I'm going. What do I do?
So where are we going?
I don't know, Brian. I got scared. I made a left. I don't know where to go now. Bruh, what's good? We got a mean traffic jam. Bro, at least hurry. I don't understand. I don't understand. If you're gonna cut me off, then hurry up. Get off the phone. What are you doing? My man's just standing in the middle of the street. What's good?
Ah! A truck too?
What's good? Oh, wait, what?
Oh my god.
What's going?
What is life?
Oh, this is bad. Oh my god. I hope everybody's okay. Ooh!
Somebody hit the
Took out the fence, dude.
Yo. What were y'all doing?
Drive safe out there, guys. Thankfully, he's good. I think. That's the guy that was without the shirt, yeah. That's such a clean evil, dude. Oh my god.
And it's an old lady.
It's an older lady. What?
It's an old lady.
Bro, that is sick, dude. That is so cool.
That is somebody's grandma.
Not that one. This one. All right, currently next day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Sadly, I didn't have anything for the 370 or the 300. I'm gonna keep up to date with the inventory and see whenever they come up with something new. Yeah, it was super fun. If you've never been to a junkyard, go. It was pretty fun. It was super hot, but it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, or consider subscribing. Peace out. If you haven't already, watch all the other content. I'll catch you guys next time. Y'all see that, right? I got the weirdest pimple I've ever gotten in my whole life. Right next to my eyeball, dude. It's like I'm speaking and there's just something poking out. Like, I can't see you guys from this side right now. I'm just kidding, it's not that bad, but that's so weird.